Namaste. I'm Dinsmore Tuli, and this is a little talk about gift economy. This is a process by which it's possible to offer whatever it is you have to offer. I have teachings to offer and retreats and things like that. I offer the teachings as a gift to the people who want to receive that gift, and then in return the people receiving the gift give back to me as a teacher, or to the teachers I work with, whatever they're able to afford in terms of how they actually value what's been received. It's like a heart-to-heart exchange. So we take it out of ordinary economics and ordinary ways of calculating value, and what we do is say, from my heart to yours, I value these teachings so much. I feel they're actually priceless. I find it really hard to put a price on them. So what I'm able to do in some environments is actually offer from my heart this gift of the teachings to you. And then the gift that comes back is actually based on how it feels, how it sits in your heart. And what that means is that in order to make the event happen, what we usually do is make a charge for things like, you got to pay for your accommodation and your food, because those folk are actually providing those services, so you pay for those. We also make a charge for making it happen. That means getting the teachers sat in front of you, bringing the kit, bringing the manuals, bringing enough prasad, the chocolates and the dates and the flowers to offer on the altar. So every last chocolate button is accounted for in that way. We've paid to make it happen, and then what happens in the exchange between teacher and student is a participatory, relational gift economy. So that's why I'm running the courses in Ireland on Inishmore, and in Portugal in Gravito. They're now running as gift economy. I do the same in Dublin actually, and I invite you to feel into your heart the value of the teachings that you receive on these kind of events, and feel that this is another way forward. It's a kind of radical breakout from our usual way of valuing things according to money. It makes it accessible and affordable, and it makes it a heart-to-heart connection. So that's my take. Other people have different takes, but my take on gift economy. Thank you for listening, and maybe see you soon.